Player's got bigger tires in the truck. Well, I did order some parts about 8 months ago and just never put them in. So some air filters and some blow-off valve adapters to help. What it does is it goes in between the recirculated blow-off valve and the turbo, and it's supposed to be a 50-50 split of recirc and atmospheric dump. A lot of people do it for the sound, but we do get compressor surge out of this car, so maybe it'll help fix some of those issues. And there's your paper element. It's kind of dirty, but you know these things don't flow that well. So we're gonna replace it with some green filter. Nice high flow reinforced air filter, which they reinforce this one, amazingly. So that way it doesn't suck and collapse, and then actual Mclaren air filters. So it's probably the originals. There we go. Dang, there's foam all in this box. You don't hear them turbos now. Yep. So there's no accessory belt on this car. You'll see. I got it. Oh, it's literally a piece of fucking paper. Fucking nothing. All right, so the water pump is driven off the front timing cover, and then it has a shaft that goes through it, and it drives the AC compressor with a rubber coupler.
For a drive shaft.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then on this side, the dry sump pump, driven off the front cover, and another one of those accessory drives going to an alternator. You want to do an oil change, you got to pull that one, you got to pull that one, you got to pull, shit, there's another one somewhere. Yeah, and then you got to, this is your oil tank, dry sump tank. And these are your dry sump lines. I still can't see the damn blow-off valve. Shit. I mean, I see it, but damn. Literally, it's just a little spacer adapter. Air goes in, swirls through, and air goes out. Not a whole lot to it. Put this in between the blow-off valve that's currently on the turbo, and good to go. Yeah, its diaphragm sits up against this, and that's what allows it to go into there. Pretty neat.
Finally.
Now I just got to tighten the water hose. Bolt.
Put it all back together.
Let it warm up just a little bit. Yeah, it's weird. They still flutter.
It might just be because there's no load on it.
No, it even does under load. So I'm wondering if there's like a solenoid that operates the vacuum line for the blow-off valve.
Holy shit!
I like it. Let it cool off a little bit before I go turning that off.
Chris, what are you doing over there? Getting the shop dust off the McLaren. Because there's no mechanical control on that, is there?
I mean,
Like a spring tension controller? Or a spring tension screw?
no, it's just a diaphragm with a spring in it, and then a vacuum line. But I'm assuming that vacuum line goes to a
Control solenoid.
control solenoid.
Yeah,
That was a good. That was a good pull. Make some tune modifications. See if we squeeze a little boost up top a little bit more. Just gotta familiarize myself with that tuning software. It's pretty in depth, and I haven't messed with it in a while, so it gives you a headache.
It's that JTAG, right?
Well, no, JTAG used to flash, bench flash it, but Win OLS, you read the binary and edit it. All hexadecimal. It's an airplane. It's a McLaren. Dun, dun, dun. Got a feeling a cop's in up here. Yeah. Always over a hill, you know.
Look at that. There he is.